Sup family, it's your boy Nate, aka Tabasko Sweet, and you're watching Everyday Flexes, the show where I teach you how to live your best life without wasting all your guap. Speaking of saving stacks, today's episode is brought to you by my new sponsor, budgeting AI app, Clio. New sponsor alert! Keep the link in the description, family. Anyway, y'all saw my fall-winter Home Depot haul challenge last time, where I showed you how to maintain a heavy drip while staying dry and all that rain we've been having lately. But this time, we're going for something a little different. The sun's out and spring is in the air, family. You know what that means. It's time to put away those layers and start working on that summer bod. It's swole boy season, and the beach is that way. One problem though, if I'm being totally real with you, it's been a minute since I busted out a proper flex. I'm talking a full 60 seconds, family. Too long. Now more than ever, it's time to call in the guns. Now you know I'm not about to hit the gym without a perfect fit. Gotta let all those hard bodies know your boy ain't playing. Now I have a $100 budget to make the most fueguissimo activewear I can. I'm talking straight up Basco customs, baby. We out here prototyping, family. Now along the way, my girl Cleo's gonna keep me in check, make sure I stay on budget. I can't be wasting any dinero. I don't know what her voice sounds like or if she has a voice, but she's British, so she probably has like a really cute accent. Hello, Basco. And you know, like, we both have a lot in common. Like, we both love saving money. I mean, watch this. Cleo, how much money do I have right now? You've got bread, Basco. There's $100 in your checking account. $100? Whoo! See this, family? Your boy's young, rich, and handsome, and we're so early into the year, it's only Vaporil. Plus, my shorty's foreign. Now I just need a workout fit that reflects that. This fit has to be straight fire litty fuego. Everyone at the gym's gonna wanna be spotting my squats, family. Gonna hit the Goodwill, hit the craft store, then we're gonna come back to the stew and go full freak mode with some customizations. So what do you say, family? Shall we once again floss without the cost? Let's hit that MF Goodwill. We're here in my hometown, Atwater Village, at the Goodwill, Southern California. Something they don't teach you in school, you can cop fire threads by the pound here. Now talk about a come up, family. My girl Cleo is gonna help me keep my budget in line. Now the goal is to come back out with enough money to re-up on my crafting supplies and accessorize a bit. Let's get it. Now this place is the wild, wild west of fashion. Anything goes in this place. Already, I'm finding some heat in here, family. Look at this. A little small, but we got the right idea happening. Getting a lot of good materials right now. Kind of just gonna make some custom shit out of this.
Oh my God,
sorry. Cleo. Crazy. Got some affliction, CrossFit type going on here with these skulls. Gotta be real with me, Cleo. Activate roast mode. Damn. You know, I've never had a girl be this real with me. Cleo's wildin'. Got a bunch of family and there's too many possibilities. Might go over budget, so I'm not trying to spend all my money here. Look at this receipt, man. 18 bucks for all this. Your boy knows how to save. Got so much. Look at this, family. All right, Cleo, how much money do I have left? I'm freaking rich, family. Let's get it. All right, family, I'm here at Michael's, AKA my boy Big Mike. I still got a lot of money left in my budget, so I'm gonna re-up on some crafting supplies. Gotta get some extra clips and everything. You never know what you're gonna find at Big Mike's. Got some paint markers. My boy Mike always keeps your boy strapped. Look at this. I think this one's a little out of my price range, but I guess we'll ask Cleo. What do you think? Damn, chilly. All right, family, pretty good haul so far. Got some numbers and some letters. Got my fabric markers, got a blank t-shirt. I think we got everything we need to make this rig fully slammed. Game. Pretty good haul, family. So as you can see, I've got a lot of material to work with here. I'm seeing a lot of potential. Now I'm thinking we'll take all the best parts of this stuff and combine it for the most fire fit you've ever seen. So here's what you're gonna need. A few pounds of thrift store clothes, a glue gun and some extra clips, some scissors and some permanent markers, heat transfer letters and numbers, disinfectant, because your boy doesn't want to get ringworm, Now your boy's just disinfecting right now because these fire threads are actually from the bins, and I call it the bins because you don't know where it's been, family. I went ahead and turned everything inside out and blasted it with some disinfectant. Now it's time to get cutty, family. Now I recommend laying everything out before you start cutting. Your boy's got a vision of what I want to do. Now I really like this purple and these skulls, so I'm going to cut one leg from each. And I'm going to leave the waistband intact because I don't know which pants fit me better yet. I'm going to take these wavy 80s workout pants and turn them into sleeves for my windbreaker. I also found this sick Roscoe's hoodie. It's too small for me, but we can keep this patch. Tight. I've got all my pieces cut out, and now it's time for my favorite part, calling in the guns. And I'm just going around the whole edge. Precision is key. All right, I'm just gluing along, almost done with my two-tone joggers. Now I'm loving these skulls. Got a bit of that 666 Mafia vibe going on with this green. Stay flat, Now I'm thinking about putting this Roscoe's patch right over my heart, because I love chicken and waffles. All right, well after a lot of gluing and going through a bunch of sticks, I'm finally doing my final touches. Now I'm just gluing down this pocket for max utility. I can't be caught without a pocket for Cleo while I'm clocking them gains. It'd be a dead giveaway. All right, I got my numbers laid out, 3017, because I'm always on my 3017 shit. Now I'm just hitting it with heat, family. Remember, family, patience is key. Leave the iron on long enough, but don't burn the shirt. Fuego alert! Got some serious heat in progress. Very clean. Wow, I've really outdone myself, family. I mean, this activewear look? Fully unhinged. I can't wait to flex this thing at the gym. And I couldn't have done it without my girl Cleo coming in clutch with that budgeting intel. And as you can see, I've got this very clean marsupial-inspired pouch in the front of my shirt, so my girl Cleo can come with me wherever I go. Now, I don't want to jinx it, but I think I may have found a shorty to get this money with me. Personally, I think this athleisure look is looking expensive as f***. But let's ask Cleo how we did on our budget. Cleo, how much did we spend on this fit? And how much did we spend on crafting supplies? So what's our grand total? Did we meet our budget of $100? 69. Nice. Cleo, how much do I have left over in my checking account? Your boy's breaded. Now if you'll excuse me, I gotta go see how this fit will perform in the wild, in a real workout situation. Now I know what you're thinking. It's nighttime, too late. But nighttime is the right time, family. If you're trying to budget like a baller, peep that link below and download the Cleo app. Sponsor alert! Hashtag ad. Smash that link below to download for free. All right, family, for real. I'm gonna need y'all to go 5-point buck in those comments. Make sure to smash that like, hit that subby, and you gotta ding that bell, family. A new DIY could drop at any moment, and you don't wanna be caught Zing your boy. Now that would be a dead giveaway. Until next time, stay boosted.